Welcome to Origami class with Prescott Origami Fanatics. In this session, you will learn how to make an origami sailboat. This model is the official logo for Origami USA, the national organization in the U.S. for origami enthusiasts. You can find Origami USA online at origamiusa.org. This design is a traditional design, which means that we don't know who first folded it. You will need 1 square of paper, an 8.5-inch square cut from a sheet of letter paper is fine. If you have pre-cut origami paper, a 6-inch square is best for learning the model. If your paper is colored on only one side or has a different color on each side, you will start with the desired color of the boat, face up. So this will be the color of the boat. With that side face up, we're going to make a diagonal fold, meaning 2 opposite corners will be brought together. Line them up. Run your finger down and make a pinch at the bottom, and then check the alignment, and then crease across the bottom. Now open the paper and turn it over to the side that will be the sail color. And you're going to make 2 book folds now. A book fold is made when you fold 2 sides together, folding the paper in half like a book. Open, rotate, and make another book fold. Open the paper. Now you can see that you have your paper divided into 4 quarters. 2 of the quarters have the diagonal fold going through them, and they're oriented as mountain folds, so there are little peaks there. The other 2 quarters are flat, no creases going through them. The 2 flat quarters we're going to make a fold called a blintz fold. This would be a quarter blintz, and the other quarter blintz. We're going to bring the corner to the center. It doesn't have to touch the center. In fact, it's not a bad idea to leave a little wiggle room there. There's 1 quarter blintz. Rotate the paper and do the other one. Next, we're going to take these 2 quarters that have the mountain fold going through them and pinch them and bring them together. Now when you do this, your flaps, those blintz folds, are going to want to pop out. So you're going to want to keep them inside and bring the mountains together and flatten the model. And it's starting to look like a boat. To make the sails look a little more realistic, we're going to fold one of them, it doesn't matter which one, so that it wraps tightly around this folded edge here. Make sure that your sails, you don't want them going out like that. You want them to be straight, so make sure that they're straight. And now crease across and then reinforce. You want a nice sharp crease. So there's the pleat. Next, open the boat, the top of the boat, and put the pleat inside. So this will be the front of the boat. The back of the boat is where you can see the pleat. On the back of the boat, we're going to fold the bottom corner up about that much. This is what's called a to-taste fold. You can make it higher or lower if you like, but that looks pretty nice. This is the foot for the boat, which allows the boat to stand up. So there is your Origami USA logo sailboat. Done.